you, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got that dyno in. Kind of give you a description of this combination. Got the beautiful Borla stack injection. Got that black for you. It's got our custom cylinder heads on it. Obviously, fuel management by Holley, Terminator X, great system, very user friendly. Got the beautiful March Serpentine belt set up front. Custom ground hydraulic roller. Take you in there, show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, it's 518 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 537, real flat in there, a lot of 30s. And peaks horsepower 503, rated at 520. Obviously got a front end on it, that's about 15 or 20, so everything runs good. Get her off there in a crate, come your way, have a great day.